Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2019 Nissan Rogue for you. Really clean car. I'm going to flip this around, just got done driving it. And overall drivability really good. It's got the continuous variable transmission, 14,783 miles on it as of the shooting of this video. No warning lights or anything like that. It does have some nice safety features. It's got adaptive cruise control, so as you're driving down the highway and someone maybe slows down in front of you while you got cruise control on, it's going to slow down for you as well without you having to adjust any of the controls. Also has hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your cell phone through this car. Controls over here for radio, all at your fingertips. Down through the center column here does have the touchscreen radio. It has the really cool backup camera, which actually shows you like a bird's eye view where you're at. So as you're parking it, you're gonna nail nothing. You're just only going to do a really good job parking because you can really just see everything. Also, this has got navigation on the radio, Bluetooth connectivity, of course, so a lot of nice features, AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Coming down here, it does have heating and air conditioning controls. You can set them to auto, which is what I like to do. Just hit the auto, pre-program in your temperature there. You can plug your phone in the USB port for charging, and also there's an auxiliary port for audio if you need it, as well as a 12-volt socket. Coming down here, it does have the center shifter with selectable gears here. Heated seats, both driver and passenger can be independently controlled. And then on the key fob here, it does have the power liftgate, as well as remote start and of course unlock and lock features. In the glove box, nice big area down there. It does still have the factory books. This is a true one owner, scores a 92, which is really high on the scale. Never been in an accident or anything of that sort. Does also, let's get unlocked here. Let's check out the outside. Does also have lane assist in it, so it's going to keep you in your lane while you're driving down the interstate. And front collision of mitigation, they call it. So if someone really slams on the brake in front of you and you don't react fast enough, the car will. It does have LED in the headlights here. Nice chrome accent on the front grille. Really looks sharp. Notice the roof rack up there. If you want to attach bicycles or maybe skis, something along those lines, this is a good vehicle for that. It does have 18-inch alloy wheels that are painted, and also plenty of tread on the tire with those little miles on this vehicle. Sits up nice and at a nice distance, at a nice height I should say, so it's not, you don't really crawl in or climb in or fall in or anything. It's just a nice distance here. Clean back seat there, as you can see. Overall, this vehicle's not been used much, so someone else bought it brand new and took the price hit on it. It's a great thing to buy, just a 1-2-year-old vehicle like this if you're wanting a newer vehicle. Still has remainder factory warranty on it. Like I said, power lift gate back here. It's tall enough, I'm 6 foot tall, I can stand underneath it without bumping my head. A couple nice storage areas back here for your stuff. Seats in the center row do flip down, so you can have extra cargo space there. Put down the power tailgate, just hit the button. This is the SV trim, they call it on this Rogue. Paint looks good all the way around. Fuel fill on the passenger side here. Overall, really clean vehicle. Fun to drive too. Comfortable to drive. Gets good fuel mileage. I believe it's 2.5 inline 4-cylinder. Plenty of power, and I believe it gets up to 32, maybe 33 miles a gallon on the highway. So for more information, for more of those specific nerdy type stuff, we've got all that on our website. You can click the link below. Current pricing on this, you can save thousands over what one of these costs brand new. Check that out on the link below. Also, financing is available. We can lock you in a really great rate, and beautiful part about it, you can do it right from your home, right on your phone, tablet, computer. Fill out a finance application to get pre-approved for this if this is something that you think will suit your needs. So thanks for checking us out. I hope this review assists you in your purchase.